In this video, we're going to talk about how to use Google Find My Device. So, Find My Device is a free tool from Google that helps you locate, lock, or even erase your Android phone if it's ever lost or stolen. So, to get started, make sure your device is signed into your Google account, connected to the internet, and that location services are turned on. So, if you misplace your phone, you can use any computer or another phone and go to the Google account, and then under the section or security section, scroll down, you will see here your find a lost device. So just simply click that and you will see here your phone or gadget. So for example, I lost my Galaxy C7 Pro. Just simply click that. And then in here, you can play sound if it's misplaced. But if it's stolen, you can secure the device. And if you ever forgot the password, you can factory reset device through the Google. So from here, you'll see a few important options. In here, like I said, you can play sound, even if it's set silent, which is really useful if it's just hiding under the couch. So you can also choose to lock your phone remotely. So this will sign you out of your Google account, lock the screen, and let you display a custom message or phone number so someone who finds it can contact you. And if you think the phone is gone for good, you have the option to erase all data on the device. This protects your personal information, but it also means you won't be able to track the phone anymore once it's erased. So whether it's lost around the house or somewhere out in the world, Google Find My Device gives you control and peace of mind. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.